Dear students, good morning. How are you? I am fine also. Today we are going to discuss about the gradient of the roaring rivers. Before starting class, you are requested to take your seat. Please sit down. Today I am going to discuss about the sadful life of Meher Jan, a widow of Bangladesh. Let us come to the point. Meher Jan, a widow, lives in a slum on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. Here cage means a small house. You can ask any question if you require to do so. I shall answer your question. If you don't understand the meaning of any words, I shall try my best to make you understand the meaning of the words. She is nearly 45. We think that here she is 45 years old. But she looks more than her age. But for want of everything, she is now very thin, sick, ill. So, we mean that she is very old. In front of her house or shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. That means she had no 3 meals a day, but only to live she can manage only 1 meal, and that is why she is now trying to make his only food in front of her that teeny shelter. Her weak hands trembles. Weak, that means very thin and sickly. Her hand is shaking to and fro because he is very weak. She adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. To make fire, she adds some leaves and straw with the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. That means the wind which is blowing from the Jamuna is making the fire unsteady. That means the fire is going to and fro for the strong wind. The dancing of the flames remind Meher Jan of the terminal in her life. The flames which are making down to and fro. It reminds Meher Jan the waves, sadful waves of his life, for which he had to lose his husband, children. That means her family. Not long ago, Meher Jan had everything. Meher Jan was a member of a happy family. That means she has everything to make life happy. But she had lost everything. But how? How she has lost? A family. Which has he lost? A family cultivate land and cattle. That means to make a family which he needs land, cattle, shelter, everything he had. But now he is helpless, quietly helpless. The erosion of the Jamuna consumed gradually all her landed property. Jamuna, the great river of Bangladesh, make her helpless because the erosion of the river, erosion that means breaking of the river's bank, makes Meherjan helpless and very poor. It finally claimed her last shelter during the last monsoon. At last, the erosion of the river made Meherjan to lose her everything. At last, she had a tiny bird which she lost last year. It took the river only a day to demolish Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden and the bamboo bushes. The river erosion make Meherjan to lose her trees, vegetable garden and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. That means at one time she had happy family, but now he is helpless. Over the year, at the end of the year, that means at the end of the year, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live with loss and the pain. Now everyone of her family is lost, but alone she is alive. The great Jamuna had shattered her dreams and happiness. That means the great Jamuna, that means he had no mercy. He had cruelly shattered her dreams. After he had dreams to be happy in life, but the river erosion of Jamuna made her very helpless and painful. There are thousand other waitings. There are thousand others waiting to share the same fate with Meherjan. Not only the Meherjan, but like her, there are hundreds of people who live near the bank of the river Jamuna, Padma, etc. Bangladesh is a land of rivers. That there are many rivers in Bangladesh that affect its people, which act our people. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. That means the people who live near the river are always thoughtful for the erosion of the rivers. During each monsoon, many more villagers are threatened by the roaring of the rivers. Like the Jamuna, the Padma and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people hopeless every year in Bangladesh. That means many people in Bangladesh every year lose their shelter, cattle, land, etc. and become helpless. They have no any place to live, to reside. So they leave the place and gathered in the town and become poor and poorer people. It is estimated that The river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. The fact which makes people sadful, dangerous, among them, the climate change is the main. If we can promote actions, that means we have to take action very rapidly to adapt a climate change. We have to change the climate, otherwise we shall fall in dangers. There will be thousands of more Meherjan in our towns and villages every year. Every year there will be more and more people like Meherjan in our villages. In total, it is the fact of sadful life of Meherjan. Now we are going to ask any question. You can ask any question, I shall answer, and I shall answer you. I shall make a question and you will answer the question. Who is Meherjan? Who is Meherjan? Thank you for your answer. Thank you. Sit down. Where is the embankment? Where is the embankment? Protection embankment. That means protection in environment. Oh, yes, it is on the Sirajganj town protection. Thank you. Sit down. How is his shelter? How is her shelter? Oh, her polythene roof shelter looks like a cave. Many thanks for your answer. How old was she or is she? Can answer anyone? Open your book and find out the question. She was about 45 years old but looks more than her age. Do you understand? Though she was or she is 45 years but she looks more than her age because her sadful life. Where is she trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal? Answer any one of the girls student. She was, again, she was making fire in front of her shelter. Thank you, Robina. Sit down. How? She is going to make fire to cook his meal. Answer anyone? She is going to make fire with the leaves and straw. Thank you. Sit down. When she is how many years did Meherjan have everything? Oh yes, not more than 1 year ago. Thank you. What has she lost? Answer. Oh, you answer the question. She had lost a family, cultivable land and cattle. Thank you. Answering the question. Many thanks. Sit down. What do you mean by the erosion? What do you mean by the erosion? Oh, yes. Erosion meant the big breaking of the part of the rivers. When does the erosion take place? When does the erosion take place? Yes, it takes place in the last monsoon. Which did it take? It take Meherjan house, cultivated lands, vegetable gardens and bamboo brush. Really it is right? Sit down. Then answer you. Answer you. How is she now? How is she now? Now. Answer. Now. She is the only one left to live. One with the loss and the pain. What is the pain? What do you mean by pain? Pain means the sadful life of Meherjan. Thank you. The Irashan or the greedy Jamuna has slaughtered her dreams and happiness. What do you mean by this? Oh, that means it take away her happiness and all her properties, family, etc. Thank you. Many thanks for answering the question. Thank you.